Hey there guys, welcome back to another video here at Top Tier Garage. Today I will be doing the video that a lot of you have been waiting for. It is a giveaway video for the 1/4 inch and 3/8 Tekton kit that I picked up at the 50% off sale. My previous video I posted that if it would get 100 likes that I would do the giveaway of this. And within 24 hours it smashed through that 100 like threshold like it was absolutely nothing. So I'd like to thank you guys. I really appreciate everyone in the tool community and the support that they've given me in the last 6 months since my YouTube channel started. It truly means a lot. So now it's my turn to give back to you guys. So in order to be put in for this kit, I'm asking you guys to do 3 simple things. The first thing is subscribe to the channel. I try to post as often as I can, and I try to post high quality content that everyone who loves tools will enjoy. The second thing is to like the video. And the third thing is to comment down below what's the best deal you've ever gotten on a tool. My personal favorite is this 50% off all Tekton tools at Myers. I don't think I've ever gotten a deal like that in my entire life up until this point. So that's all. Just a recap, I'll be giving this kit away January 1st of 2021 to start someone's year off on the right foot, because we all know how bad of a dumpster fire 2020 was. So best of luck to you all. Thanks for watching Top Tier Garage.